Out working on the SL today, and we're gonna try and do the shifter bushings without taking some stuff apart. So, and a Harbor Freight light. So, see if I can show you how I work my magic with my fingers. A splash pan and a heat shield in the way. So, this isn't too bad of a job, but I am going to be trying to illuminate this so that people can see what I'm doing. I'm trying to see if you can see it. I'm gonna come in back this way. Get it off with one finger. Okay, there's that one. Alright, get that off. We're going to have to press this through bushing in. Well, we have it started. That looks totally in. It's actually funny because I'm actually using the camera to see what I'm doing back in here better than. Remember, kids, a screwdriver is always a pry bar. I think this is, yes, this is what I had planned. Okay, camera overheated. So, I'm gonna give this another go. Dexterity has more applications than mechanicking, if you catch my drift. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. All right, that's definitely seated. Same up here, just to be certain. Let's see how the shifter is. Actually goes into park. Excellent. Okay. Toodles.